Okay, I've logged on to my gradebook. What I'm trying to do is to take the role of the student in the university, the data file that I pull up from PsychStat from my gradebook, and put that in SPSS. And I'm going to do it by copying it to an Excel file. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Data Files, and then I'm going to click on the role of the student in the university. So this is my data file. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy. I'm just holding down the left mouse button and marking this table. Then I'm going to go someplace in the table, right click, and then go to copy. Okay, that's all I need to do for the copy from the gradebook. Next, I'm going to pull up Excel. I'm just going to put a blank workbook. I'm going to go to the top cell, A1. I'm going to right click, and I'm just going to choose the standard paste option. So this is my Excel data file. Pretty slick. I'll make this I just like to make it nice. Okay, then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save this. So I'm going to go to File and Save. And I'm going to put this just on my desktop. And let's call it example roles file. Give it something, and I don't really need, it doesn't make any difference. So I'll save it. And now that's all I need to do for Excel. I can exit out of that. I can exit out of the gradebook. And there's my example roles file. I could open that up. I will. Just double click on it. That's what it looks like. Now I'm going to open up SPSS again with the blank workbook. And I'm just going to go to File, Open. This is a data file. And here's where it gets just a little tricky. Rather than an SPSS file, I'm going to look for an Excel file. And now I've got to find it. And it looks like it's on my desktop. And there it is, example roles file. It doesn't have to be it could be just an XLS file. It doesn't have to be an XLSM file. I just click Open. It only has one sheet, and the variable names were in the first row, so I think we're okay. Keeps jumping over there. And voila. Now what I want to do, I'm just going to save this as an SPSS file, and we'll call it example roles file. But rather than an Excel file, we'll let it name it as an SPSS file, a save file. And I just click Save. And that's all there is to it. I've copied data table that existed as in a URL on a web page, and I've created an SPSS data file from that.